The transition from elementary school to high school was so easy for me. Everyone was so welcoming.
In Shulamith, they show us that you can bring Judaism into your daily life.
I feel that Shulamith is not only a yeshiva and a family, I believe it's an hashkafa.
The sky's the limit.
Our goal is to achieve academic excellence, to inspire students to find an academic passion, to find their area that speaks to them.
We wanted to bring back the language.
Our goal is for each and every teacher to connect individually with their students, to engage all their students in the classroom.
I love what I do. I love teaching is my happy place, but the highlight of my day is when I go into the classroom.
Pennies minted after 1982, I have pennies minted before 1982.
Let's say I have the shop, so I'd say,
In the Limudei Kodesh, there's an added responsibility in that we're not just teaching you information, we're teaching you for life.
You're opening your house l'revacha, when you open your house for everyone. I feel that Shulamith teaches that center, the Shvil Hazav of Yiddishkeit is an appropriate place where people need to be.
The environment here is just so amazing, and the hashkafa matches up perfectly with my family's hashkafa.
He started saying his prophecy in the middle of his kingdom.
We have a unified language. It's something that only we.
It's a great place for so many girls who they feel they really found their niche here.
And it's just the natural way, like, if the water's right. And Hashem spoke.
So exciting walking into a classroom. Students are usually working in chavruta groups. We do a lot of chavruta learning because that is where we maximize our ability to learn how to read Chumash with confidence.
You walk in the hallways here and you feel it. You feel connections, you feel warmth, you feel dedication, you feel passion.
One of the things our students are always talking about is their connection with their teachers. They feel like they could connect with their teachers both inside of the classroom and outside of the classrooms.
Everyone is super nice, the staff is super nice, everyone's really, really friendly. Shulamith High School is really awesome.
And what we really want to do here is create a culture where girls feel comfortable coming to us, talking to us about any issues that they're facing.
They'll come to me for advice. I'm there to provide support for the students.
I believe that there's a role outside the classroom. I believe that students each have a skill, have a passion that gets to shine.
The goal of the curriculum is to continue with high academic standards while also inspiring intellectual curiosity.
Through all my classes, all of my students should be able to go outside into the world and have a much better understanding of why things work the way that they do. From the most mundane to the most complex, science really helps us understand all of that.
The goal is really to build a portfolio, building confidence to create your own artwork. So that way when you're a senior, you can go into the real world with an unbelievable portfolio.
I'm very, very passionate about from girls' education. I think that there's so much that they can learn, so much that we can teach them. Hashem created a beautiful world in so many ways, and I want to be able to equip them with all of that, expose them to so many things.
They have a lot of sports teams, which is really exciting.
I'm on the basketball team. I'm on the basketball team.
Softball.
Volleyball, basketball, tennis. Every day there's something new and exciting going on.
We have a lot of activities, so learning is really fun.
Incredible to watch students grow from when they enter high school until they graduate and perform academically or socially. It's a really rewarding experience.
Here at Shulamith, they give us so many different opportunities to be a leader, whether that's being GO or a student ambassador or a chesed ambassador, and that's something incredible that not every school offers.
We are a school that strives to equip the girls with everything that they will need to be successful from young women in the real world.
Viewing chesed as a part of contributing to something that's bigger than you.
I'm happy to be Chesed Ambassador this year. I feel that Shulamith gives us many, many opportunities to do Chesed. Something that I learned in Shulamith is my appreciation for Israel.
Whenever I go there, I just feel so connected to the land.
do you know? Wishing you can
fly, but it's clear.
Every student can be involved in anything they like.
It's so warm here at Shulamith. Everyone's so friendly, and I feel like I could talk to anybody.
It is a special feeling to know that the school that I am working in represents so much of what I stand for and represents a system that I am so proud to raise my own daughters in.
This is your time.